Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video we'll be drawing a very super cute and super sweet candy corn.
Candy corn is sweet from Halloween.
That's right, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get drawing. Alrighty, so we've got our paper, we've got something to draw it with, like a marker or pen. So we're going to draw the candy corn's body first. It's basically a bit of a triangle, a rounded triangle, and it doesn't have to be a perfect shape. It can be a little bit funny. Yeah, so let's draw that. And we can make it quite big and quite rounded that makes it nice and cute. And then later on when we colour it in, we'll add the three colours. We have the white on the top and then the orange. And then the yellow. Yeah. So let's draw a face. Now, I think what we'll do to make it look really funny, we'll do a really big open mouth, and it's kind of like a bit of a jelly bean shape. That's right.
And then, if you like, you can put a tooth.
Yeah, that's right. I think to make it cute, let's put a little tooth in the corner. Yeah, I like that idea. Like a little rounded tooth like that. It makes him look really silly.
Yeah.
And then also, we'll draw a big tongue in there as well. So he's opening his mouth. He's super excited for Halloween. All right, let's draw some eyes. So I'm going to draw them quite close next to his mouth. And I'm going to draw them about this size here. Just like that.
And then we can put some eyebrows.
Well, yeah, so first of all, with the eye. Yeah, I'm going to draw another circle in here, which is the highlight or the light reflecting into the eye. That makes it look cute as well. And we'll just colour that in black. Or you can colour it in other colour if you like. Okay, and then I think we'll give him some eyebrows as well. It just gives the character some more expression. So it's just a curve on each side. You can keep it quite high, just like that, so he looks super excited. And if you like, you can put eyelashes on it as well. So it looks awesome. Right, so that's the shape of the body. Now, with the three colours, we're not going to draw the lines there. Well, you can if you want to, but we're just going to colour that in later. But we can put a few other details on there. I think we'll put some arms and legs. So let's put some arms. We'll do one on the side here.
And then do something on the other side.
Yeah, so with the arm on the side, you can actually start inside the shape because this arm is closer to you. So it's just a nice rounded line. So he's like putting his hands in the air. And then you can put fingers on there as well. So it's basically four little lines like that. And we'll do the same on the other side. So it looks like he's putting his hands in the air saying, "Yay, Halloween! Yay, candy! Yay, monsters and fun!" Yeah, and let's draw some legs. Now, same thing. We'll draw a nice curved line like that. And then just a little foot on the bottom there, just a little oval shape. Now this foot here, on this side here, I'm going to put a little bend in it. So it looks like he's lifting up his knee and bending his leg. So that looks like this foot here is on the ground, this one is off the ground, and it looks like he's jumping up and down. Alrighty, so that is Mr. Candy Corn or Mrs. Candy Corn. Now we're going to colour it in. So this is where we're going to add in the white on the top, the orange, and then the yellow. And we'll see you very soon. Alright, and we're finished colouring in. So I've done mine the traditional candy corn colour with the white, the orange, and the yellow. But you don't have to do that. You can do it any colour you like or any combination. Just like you, Natasha, you've done it yours a little bit differently, which is cool. And you've added purple in there as well. That's a nice Halloween colour. And you've added some extra details in there as well. What have you added in there?
I spelled Happy Halloween, and I put in some spider webs, and I put in spiders.
Yeah, that's really cool. So you can add lots of other little details to make it Halloween. So lots of little creepy spiders. I see there's even one crawling on his face as well. That's pretty scary. Well, I think you did a wonderful job. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
That is great. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other Halloween drawings for you to enjoy. We'll see you again very soon. Bye.
Bye.